Today we're diving into a product that might seem mundane but is incredibly essential for any Nissan car owner from 2007 to 2022 models, including the 370Z, Altima, and more. We're looking at the 2-pack CR2032 Replacement Battery Smart Remote Key Fob OEM. This pack not only includes 2 CR2032 batteries but also a handy pry tool which is crucial for DIY battery replacements. First off, let's talk about the authenticity and quality of these batteries. These are the original OEM batteries, which means they are exactly the same as the ones provided by the manufacturer with your vehicle's smart key. This guarantees that you won't face compatibility or performance issues, which can sometimes occur with aftermarket products. Now, many of you might wonder about the actual need for such a product. If you've ever faced the frustration of a dying car key fob battery, you know the annoyance of your car not responding to its remote. This bundle offers a straightforward and cost-effective solution. You can avoid a trip to the dealership or an automotive locksmith, which not only saves you time but also money. Considering that a dealership might charge significantly more for the same battery replacement, this product provides a DIY solution without the need for reprogramming the remote, which is a huge plus. The inclusion of the pry tool is thoughtful, as it aids in safely opening the remote case without scratching or damaging it. Anyone who has tried using a screwdriver or a knife to pry open their key fob will appreciate how this tool makes the job. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.